Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Beetles gel polish nail set. This does give you 20 different colors. You can do matte as well as glossy. Alright, so right here we have our gel nail polish. They offer this in several different colors. I happened to pick up the 20 colors, which called the Dreamy Town. They also have several different, they have nude colors, dark colors, bright colors. But this one right here that I did purchase has really nice Easter colors. It does come with 20 colors. You get a base coat, top coat, which is the shiny top coat, and you also get a matte top coat. So first off, in the box you can see it does come with a little case that holds all the gel polish in it. You do get an application guide. This right here tells you how to use it, and then it shows you that you clip your nails, you polish the shiny stuff off, you push your cuticle back, clean up your cuticles, wipe off the dust, then you apply your base coat, your color, and then you apply your base coat again. When you first apply the color, you'll want to put it in and cure it up to 60 seconds. You want to do that 3 different times depending on how bright of the color you want. It's got FAQs, notes, why is the gel so thick, and a little extra information. So this one here is the Dreamy Town collection. It's alluring, exquisite, ravishing. It's glossy and vibrant. So if you don't like glossy, they do offer a matte. So here is the matte top gel coat. You have a top coat. This one here is the glossy, and then you also have the base coat right here. This is the base gel coat, so you'll put this on before you add any color, and then once you've added your color, you can go matte or you can go glossy. So you've got these two here. These are 2 different pinks. You've got several different colors. These are super easy to apply. You've got different purples, you've got greens, you've got blues, you've got light pink. So this one is a light and a bright pink. You've got some yellow ones. So you do get different colors to choose from. These ones here do, once you apply it in the right steps, they should last up to a month or so more. I have done my toenails and they've lasted me already 2 weeks, and they have not chipped or faded or anything like that. So these ones are a super nice gel polish set. If you are looking for a nice polish set that offers a lot of different colors, these ones are in the Dreamy collections, more of like the pastel looking colors. I would highly recommend checking out this set. This one does offer 20 different colors with its pink, yellow, blue, purple, green, and you have some chipping color. I would highly recommend checking these ones out.